Hey guys, it's Snivy Loves You, and today I'm going to tell you how to clean off your C disk of unnecessary files. Okay, first you're going to have to go online and download a program called CCleaner. So go on Google and search CCleaner. And you're going to go to the first one you see, which is www.pyroform.com/CCleaner. Click download. And if you have a Mac or PC, click here. These ones are for Windows XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 7 laptops. So you're going to click here and download. And it's a very quick setup and very straightforward. So once you get it, open it up and it should look like this. What you're going to do is hit Run Cleaner. And the longer it's been since you've cleared your internet settings and everything, the more stuff you could clear. Close out all browsers before you're in this too. It's very quick. It takes about 1 minute. The reason it's going a little slow on mine is because I'm video recording. So let's just give it a sec. And the reason my computer looks like brand new is because I just cleared it off. So let's just wait for this. This will clear everything. The only thing you don't want to check off is wipe free space, because that will make this take an average about 1 hour, and you want it to take about 1 minute. In 1 minute, you could clear an average in between 10 megabytes to 200 megabytes. So it's very effective. So you're just going to want to wait on this. Sorry if that's going so slow. Okay, we're almost done. Also, what you could do on here, you could also, if you need to, you could wipe your entire hard drive on here and your iPod, and you could clear unnecessary programs, but this is the most effective tool, that you don't even know all these files on your computer, and you really don't need all of them. They're not necessary. They're just like cache and stuff on your web browsers. And look, 24.2 megabytes removed. Now, before I had exactly 21 gigabytes on my computer. Now let's see how many I have. Okay, so my computer's loading, and here, now we have 21.3 gigabytes. Now you know how to clear space on your computer fast. Thank you.